Hello student, we will complete this video. Here P4 phosphorus is reduced to phosphine and oxidized to H2PO2. Here this equation you only write on P4 PH3 H2PO2. So phosphorus is reduced to PH3 phosphine and oxidized to hypophosphite ion. Here I have written hypophosphite ion. So there are 4 atoms of phosphorus and here PH3 is having only one P. Okay, so at that moment what we will see that oxidation number of phosphorus is 0 and this is PH3 is having minus 3 oxidation state. Phosphorus is having minus 3 oxidation state. So decrease in oxidation state from 0 to minus 3 occurring over here, and since total 4 atoms of phosphorus is present, so decrease will be 4 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3, so it will be minus 12. So by 4 decrease in this oxidation number will be 4 times 3, that is equal to 12. So n factor for this is 12. Now P4 plus H2PO2 separately we are watching. P4 plus H2PO2, here oxidation number of phosphorus is plus 1. The hydrogen is also having plus 1. So plus 1 into 2 plus P minus 2 into 2 is equal to 1. So in this way we know that how to find out oxidation number of phosphorus. This is a method I have given. So we find out that phosphorus is in plus 1 oxidation state. So here what will happen? Oxidation number increase by 1. Okay, so there are how many atoms? 4 atoms are there. So per atom it is increased by 1. So for 4 atom it is increased by 4. Okay, so now n factor for this is 4. N factor here 4. And here 12. So here 12 into 4 plus 12 plus 4, because I told you the formula that here see n1 in for this proportionation reaction n1 into n2 divided by n1 plus n2 means product divided by sum of these two n factors. So here see we have done this and calculate out, it will be 3 n factor for the complete whole reaction. So equivalent weight of will be molecular weight by n factor, that is m by 3 for this equation. Okay, now for KClO3 and gives you KClO4 1 negative plus ClO2 1 ClO2. Here oxidation number decrease by from 5 to 4, and here it is increase from 5 to 7. So increase by 2, here decrease by 1. Okay, so it is simple way, 3m by 2 will be answer, n factor will be 2 by 3. This is disproportionation reaction. So the same way we will find out in next video. We'll discuss this so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so equivalent weight for this phosphine is okay now for this time. Write down each and everything. I think this is clear.